Hey guys, welcome to Makerspace Monday, where we will be making photo holders with natural objects, some wire, and obviously a photo of a loved one. So stick around and I'll show you how we're going to do it. So to make your photo holder, you're going to need a rock or piece of wood. So go out in your yard and look for something with some character. So here's what you're gonna need. A pair of needle nose pliers, some natural objects like rocks or a piece of wood. Preferably, this really helps if it's flat on one end, and some wire. Turns out I don't have any wire hangers. Those would work fine. And this I bought at the hardware store in town at Country Squire. $5 for this whole big bunch here, and this will make lots of photo holders. So yeah, gather your supplies. Now you can make your photo holder without painting your rock, or you could paint your rock, as the next slide will show. So while the paint is drying, I'm going to attach wire to this piece of wood. So you're gonna cut a fairly long piece of wire. I've got about almost 3 feet here, and you're gonna use the needle nose pliers to cut the wire, and it'll look like this. Cuts it real easy like that. I like to start on the bottom. You're gonna want to wrap it around a few times. You're gonna want to crisscross a little bit, give it a little design. Kind of looks cool like that. And at some point, you're also going to want to run the wire under at some point. Well, I'm not having the, I'm trying to run it under 2. Yeah, like that. And at the end, at some point, you want to have your wire facing upwards. Yeah. So I am not very good at design. This looks horrible. My stone one came out much better. I'm gonna try and end mine right here, like this. So I've got about this much here, like that. You can see this didn't come out so great, but you guys are more artistic than me. So then you take your needle nose pliers at the tip, and just you're gonna make a spiral. Sometimes it takes me a few times to get it to go right around the tip of the pliers, like so. And just keep going around. You can do it really tight, and then you can loosen it up a little afterwards. So I went around like 3 times. And you can loosen it up a little. And there you have you can turn it this way. Here is the final product of the stick one, and here is a stone one. And if you want to stick around, I'll show you how to wrap a stone in wire. Hi, so I am going to wrap my painted rock in a length of wire. So I'm going to clip it like so. And again, I will start on the bottom, and I will hold it while I wrap around. And again, I will change directions a few times because, well, it kind of looks cool-ish. Also, you want to try and run it under so that it stays. It's a little hard to do. There we go. All right. So I'm going to try and, so there, that's how that looks. And then I'm going to grab my pliers at the tip and twirl it to make a spiral. You don't have to go super tight, but again, if you do by accident, you can stretch it out afterwards. I think I'll do one more. So there we have it. And I'll grab a picture of my dog. Oops, there we go. And there we go. Photo holder. Rock, wire, pliers. Pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed your Makerspace Monday with Mrs. Buckenroth. Bye.